Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and these are bubble machines from the brand Klevly.
These bubble machines come in the shape of little construction trucks, which is just so adorable. They also come with extra bubble liquid, and my little one loves playing with his new bubble machine. Him and his dad can have a ton of fun outside, playing with this. He's getting the hang of holding it himself, but he mostly likes to just play with the bubbles. This would make such a great gift for any kid. It also plays a cute song as it blows bubbles, and it comes with a screwdriver so your little one can take some of the pieces apart and put it back together again, which just adds another element of fun.
So, if you're in the market for a fun toy for your little one to keep him entertained and have a blast, definitely check out these bubble machines from the brand Klevly. Your little one is going to have so much fun, and it's a great gift for any kid, and that's my point of view.